So you're probably wondering, Sky, why are you showing me a wall? And because I'm about to show you this hot mess that I've turned this room into. Now, I want to let you all know that I went down south to go to a convention. And for those of you guys who don't know, I'm in my manifesting a baby era to add to my already 2 children. So if you see baby stuff, that's just because I'm manifesting it in this room, okay? Now, I'm going to warn you, this is going to look bad, but the reason I'm showing you this is because we're about to clean it. I know it looks terrible. So this is like the gifts. This is like breastfeeding stuff. I just kind of threw it there. It looks really bad. Like, see, it's just, everything's just thrown, okay? Christmas gifts, Christmas activities, trash. At one point before I left, I did clean this room. It was completely cleaned. Now we're going to start all over. Christmas presents in that box. All the stuff from the convention and hauls that I need to do. This is a hot mess. We have to go through it. I'm going to record it with that camera and hopefully get the file transferred in time so that way I can post this. And yeah, and then we also, once we cleared this section out, right here, right there. Sorry, I'm not doing this very coordinatedly. I'm going to put lights because as you can see, this room is lackluster of lights. We're going to put lights here. I want to eventually get lights around here somewhere. I just don't know how because that lighting isn't very good in the winter. So we need to figure out how we're going to get it good because I want to be able to record with that camera here and I want to be able to record here. And that's why I have the lights that I'm going to put up here. But we need to figure out what we're going to do with this area and how we're going to light this situation so that way I can film on this side as well. And I have no idea how I'm planning on doing that. Maybe some lights up there. I don't know. If you have any ideas, please let me know. But I've also decided to challenge myself for Vlogmas. I guess I'll get into it later. But I wanted to make this clip really quick so you understand what I'm dealing with. And yes, this is really embarrassing. But like, how are we going to be accountable if we don't show how bad shit gets? Especially when we're traveling. Because this is from me getting ready to travel, hot mess, coming back from traveling, and Christmas. So we're going to get our lives together. Oh, and obviously cleaning there. We're going to get our lives together and we're going to clean this mess.